Hey y'all, Keith LaDouceur with Epique Realty. I'm standing in front of a new listing that I have in Martin, Tennessee. This is 113 White Street. So I'm gonna do a full video walkthrough of the interior of this house and show you around and see if it's something that you like. First off, I wanted to show you the front view of this home. Got some really nice landscaping, large front porch with a front porch swing. That out. Could you imagine yourself just hanging out, swinging, enjoying this beautiful front yard? I know I could. Let's go in and check it out. So stepping in, this is the living room area. Pretty big space. It's like 21 by 17. You could probably put a big sectional couch right there, put you a TV up on the wall there. Off this living room is a primary bedroom. Another really good sized room. It's got a massive walk-in closet over here. Shelving and everything. And then you got the primary bathroom. Double vanities. Nice walk-in shower. Tile floors. Very nice, very nice. Open dining room area, or you could utilize it as a sitting room. That's what the other seller had it as. She had a big couch right here and had plants and everything, and the bay window over there. You've got the second bedroom here up front. Pretty cool. And then the kitchen. Check out that ceiling mount right there. Isn't that beautiful? So this island does stay with the house. These little bar stools, it's actually pretty cool because they slide in there. That way they're out of the way, and then you can slide it out and use it as like a little table. But all of these appliances stay. Got a really nice sink with all of the little attachments and cutting board and everything you need to slice and dice. Butcher block countertops. And you've got this additional room here that could be utilized as like a vanity, but you've got some, or not vanity, excuse me, pantry. You've got some additional space right there that you can use as a pantry space as well. Then you've got your guest bathroom. You've got this barn door for the guest bathroom. Pretty cool accent feature. The utility room. Nice size folding table here. And then outside the back, it opens up to kind of like a little private oasis back here. You've got a fenced in yard and this really cool covered screened in patio. It's like a gravel garden back here. Got little walking stones and small little deck here, tables, and it's all fenced in for smaller animals. You wouldn't want to put a big dog back here because they'd probably hop the fence, but you got your little fountain and a fire pit, and then the lot line goes way back there past the tree line, just slightly, but it kind of opens up and makes it seem like a park. This also walks over to the garage. Just behind the garage, you've got this little area where you could put your trash bins and stuff. The owner had actually built on this back section of the garage to add in some cabinet space and shelving, and then you can pull your car inside. I'll show you the inside, but it is full with some of her belongings that she still needs to move out, but then you can walk out this way. So then you've got your driveway. Roof is still really new, only 9 years old. All the windows were changed out just before she moved in about 5 years ago. Could you see yourself sitting out here in the mornings drinking coffee, listening to that pond or that little fountain back there would be great, wouldn't it? Some really friendly neighbors around. All right, if you can see yourself living in this home, 113 White Street, Martin, Tennessee, give me a call. I'd love to be able to show you around in person and let you see all of the features of this house and see if it's a good fit for you and your family or just you yourself. So really nice little place, 2 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, a lot of updates in here. The kitchen, the bathrooms, all of the floors are brand new. HVAC unit is around 8-9 years old. So I think you'll really love it if you see it in person. Obviously, you got to take a tour with me. Thank you for staying a moment and taking a look. So if you know of anybody that's interested in looking in Martin, share this video with them or have them give me a call. My number is 615-495-8588. And until next time, I'll see you then.